Hello, fellow developers. Welcome back to the go-to place for all things coding and development. Today, we have an exciting project in store for you. We'll be creating a full-fledged Mp4 to Mp3 converter GUI application using Python, PyQt5, and Mp3. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our journey begins with PyQt5 Designer, a fantastic tool that simplifies the process of designing GUIs. Open it up. Drag and drop widgets onto the canvas and design a user interface that suits your style. PyQt5 Designer allows for an intuitive and visually appealing design experience. Take your time to arrange widgets, set layouts, and fine-tune the details. Once you're satisfied with your design, save it as a UI file. In our case, we've named it Mp4 to Mp3 UI.ui. Now, let's convert this UI file into a Python file using PyUIC. This tool transforms our design into executable Python code that we can work with. To perform the conversion, open your terminal and run the command PyUIC5-x mp4 to mp3.ui-o mp4 to mp3 ui.py. This step is crucial as it provides us with the Python code that corresponds to our UI design. With our UI code ready, let's jump into the Python script that powers our application. The code is organized into a class-based structure for clarity and maintainability. We start by creating a class named Mp4 to Mp3 converter that inherits from qtwidgets.qmain window. In the constructor, we initialize our user interface using the code generated from the UI file. To make our buttons functional, we connect them to specific functions using the click.connect method. This establishes a direct link between the button click event and the corresponding function that will handle it. The select file function is triggered when the user clicks the select button. This function opens a file dialog, allowing users to choose an Mp4 file. Once selected, the file path is displayed in the text box. Now, let's talk about the convert file function. This function is the heart of our application. It extracts audio from the selected MP4 file using Mp3, saves it as an MP3 file, and updates the UI with the saved file path. Any errors during the conversion process are caught and displayed in a message box. The clear path function simply clears the selected file path and any saved path information, providing a clean slate for the user. In the main block, we create an instance of qtwidgets.q application and our Mp4 to Mp3 converter class. Finally, we execute the application with app.exec. This sets everything in motion. Now comes the exciting part. Let's run our program and put it to the test. We'll select an Mp4 file. Convert it to Mp3. And check if the saved file is playable. And there you have it, a fully functional Mp4 to Mp3 converter built with Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow developers, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding, and until next time.